Hey there, Math Explorers. Welcome back to our channel. Are you ready for a super fun and super easy math adventure today? I promise this is going to be a piece of cake. Today, we were going to master the magical multiplication table of 10. It's one of my absolute favorites because it has a secret trick that makes it the easiest one to learn. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll be a multiplication master of 10. First things first, what is multiplication? Think of it as a super fast way of adding. Instead of adding the same number over and over again, we just multiply, and the 10 times table. It's like having a magic wand. Let's start with the very first one, 1 times 10. Imagine you have one box, and inside that box there are 10 colorful crayons. How many crayons do you have in total? That's right, you have 10. So 1 times 10 equals 10. See, easy peasy. Now, let's get 2 boxes. Each box has 10 shiny marbles inside. So we have 10 marbles in the first box and 10 marbles in the second box. That's 10 plus 10, which equals 20. So 2 times 10 equals 20. Are you starting to see the secret pattern? Let's try another one. What about 3 times 10? Imagine 3 bunches of bananas, and each bunch has 10 bananas. How many bananas do you have altogether? We have 10, 20, 30. So 3 times 10 is 30. Great job. Let's keep this awesome momentum going. 4 times 10. Let's picture 4 friendly dogs, and each dog has 10 spots. How many spots in total? 10, 20, 30. 40. That's right, 4 times 10 equals 40. Now, 5 times 10. Think of your hands. You have 5 fingers on one hand and 5 on the other. But let's imagine you have 5 jars, and each jar holds 10 cookies. Yum! How many cookies are there? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 5 times 10 equals 50. We're halfway there and you're doing brilliantly. Did you spot the magic trick yet? When you multiply any number by 10, you just put a 0 right after that number. Look, 1 times 10 is 1 with a 0, which is 10. 2 times 10 is 2 with a 0, making it 20. 3 times 10 is 3 with a 0. 30, it works every single time. It's like a math superpower. Let's use this superpower for the rest of the table. What is 6 times 10? We take the number 6, add a 0, and we get 60. Perfect. What about 7 times 10? Take the 7, add a 0, and you get 70. Fantastic. Now you're on a roll. Let's do 8 times 10. What do you think? It's 8 with a 0, which is 80, you got it, and 9 times 10. That's 9 followed by a 0, making 90. And for the grand finale, 10 times 10. We take the number 10, add another 0, and we get 100. A big round 100. Look at that. We did it. Let's say the whole table together one more time, nice and loud. 1 times 10 is 10. 2 times 10 is 20. 3 times 10 is 30. 4 times 10 is 40. 5 times 10 is 50. 6 times 10 is 60. 7 times 10 is 70. 8 times 10 is 80. 9 times 10 is 90. And 10 times 10 is 100. You are all officially 10 times stable experts. I knew you could do it. Keep practicing, and soon it will be as easy as counting 1, 2, 3. Thank you so much for learning with me today, my amazing math adventurers. If you had fun, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you in the next one. Bye for now.